mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. May 14, 2025, Wednesday Racing. Karera sa araw ng Miyerkules. 7 races ang meron tayo ngayong Miyerkules. Tanging race 1 lang ang 1,400 meter distance. Yung race 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at 7. Bali, 6 ay mas maikli. 1,200 meter distance. Starting time ng karera 5 p.m. alas 5 ng hapon. At bago ang ating mga cool choices, kumusta naman po ang inyong pangangarera nakaraang linggo? 6 win and 2 loss tayo. Hindi natin nakuha yung Binalot AU at yung Margo. Sana po ay better result today, Wednesday Racing. Umpisa po natin ating mga cool choices. Race number 1, isang non-winner. Race number 1, isang non-winner, 3-year-old maiden race. First choice number 3, King of Sipokot. Second choice number 4, King Was Popcorn. Ito lang ang tanging 1,400 meter distance race. Race 1. Ito sa race 2, first choice natin, number 4, Grand Laughter, Pati Dilemma Riding. Second choice, number 8, Dreams of the World. Race 3, another 1,200. Siya nga pala, race 1, yun yung winner take all, races 1 to 7. Race 2 naman, yun yung pick 6, race 2 to 7. Nandito na tayo sa race 3, pick 5, race 3 to 7. Sa race 3, first choice natin, number 6, Leviathan. Humble observation ko po, lamang. Second choice, number 5, Glenda's Magic. Galing sa layoff, pero very recently tumakbo at good run. Nagsilbing batak. Tayo sa race 4. Another 1,200. Ito na yung pick 4. Races 4 to 7. Dito sa race 4, first choice natin, Deremate, number 3, Hot Legs. Itong kabayong ito, pagka intentional na gustong sumabay, ay nakakasabay naman. Second choice, number 1, High Quality. At third choice, number 5, Anyare. Race 5, another 1,200 meter distance race. First choice natin, number 7, Potential. 8 entries lang ito. Siguro naman aking assessment ay pang-4. Kaya ang alis. Second choice, number 4. Dati puro bilis lang. Ngayon meron na itong staying power. Number 4, second choice, Axis Deviation. Dumako na tayo sa penultimate race, race 6, race na may pentapekta. Interesting po itong Race 6 Pentapecta event. Meron pong carryover 66,701.24 centavos. So, medyo maganda na po yan. 66,000 plus na carryover. First choice natin, number 8, Ginebra. Naturuan ng sumunod at rumimate. Second choice, number 3, Super Tatiana or Super Tatiana. Third choice, number 4, Luke Skywalker. Last race, paratingan. Race na may Super 6, another 1,200 meter distance. Tanging race 1 lang po ang 1-4. First and only choice, number 8, Added Haha. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!